Hello and welcome to Unniyappam Recipes. I am Nahida with you. Today I am sharing a traditional South Indian treat with a twist banana Unniyappam. Soft, sweet and perfectly golden, made with jaggery, banana and coconut. Let's get started. Take 2 ripe bananas and pour them into a blender. Add half cup melted jaggery. Make sure the jaggery is melted well with the banana for a smoother batter. And 2 cardamoms. Blend into a smooth paste. Now in a bowl add 1 cup rice flour, 1/4 cup plain flour and 1/8 teaspoon salt. Pour the banana jaggery mixture. Followed by 1/4 cup grated coconut and half teaspoon cumin. Give it a good mix. Overripe bananas actually make unniyappams tastier and softer. Bananas are rich in potassium and natural sweetness. No refined sugar needed. Jaggery is a great source of iron and energy. Now add 1 tablespoon ghee and 2 to 3 tablespoon water. Mixing until it becomes a smooth thick batter. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Grease an appe pan with a little oil. Pour the batter into each cavity and cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low heat. Flip and cook the other side until golden brown. The word Unniyappam literally means small rice cake. The appe pan gives the perfect round shape without deep frying. And that's it. Delicious spongy banana Unniyappams, perfect for snacks, tea time or festival. Unniyappam is a famous sweet from Kerala, traditionally made during temple festival. See you in the next video. Until then, take care and keep cooking from the heart.